Today, we're diving into the HP 71770-8-001 Ethernet 10Gb G2x8 2P561T network adapter, a powerful networking solution designed specifically for HP servers. Compatible with a range of ProLiant DL and ML series servers, this adapter promises high-speed Ethernet connectivity for your data-intensive tasks. First off, let's talk compatibility. Whether you're running a ProLiant DL120 Gen 9 or an ML350P Gen 8, this adapter has got you covered. It seamlessly integrates into your existing setup, ensuring smooth performance without any compatibility hiccups. Now, let's delve into performance. With its 10 Gb Ethernet capability, the HP 71770-8-001 delivers lightning-fast data transfer speeds, perfect for bandwidth-hungry applications and virtualized environments. Whether you're transferring large files or streaming high-definition media, this adapter ensures that your network keeps up with your demands. Installation is a breeze thanks to its plug-and-play design. Simply slot it into your server's PCIe slot, install the necessary drivers, and you're good to go. Plus, with its dual-port configuration, you can connect multiple devices without sacrificing performance. But what about reliability? Rest assured, HP's reputation for quality shines through in this adapter. Built to withstand the rigors of enterprise environments, it offers rock-solid reliability, keeping your network up and running 24/7. In terms of design, the HP 71770-8-001 sports a sleek and compact form factor, allowing for easy installation even in space-constrained server racks. Its low-profile design ensures compatibility with a wide range of server chassis, making it a versatile choice for any IT setup. To sum it up, if you're in need of high-speed networking for your HP servers, look no further than the HP 71770-8-001 Ethernet 10 Gb G2x8 2P561T network adapter. With its stellar performance, rock-solid reliability, and seamless compatibility, it's the ultimate networking solution for HP server environments. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.